Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Always Secured Automation. In this video, we will discuss Module 6.2, Solar PV Technology with Block Diagram, Advantages and Limitations. Photovoltaics, often shortened as PV, gets its name from the process of converting light photons to electricity voltage, which is called the photovoltaic effect. This phenomenon was first exploited in 1954 by scientists at Bell Laboratories who created a working solar cell made from silicon that generated an electric current when exposed to sunlight. Solar panels, photovoltaic modules. Solar panels are the primary components that capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy through the photovoltaic effect. These panels are made up of semiconductor materials like silicon. Inverter, the direct current electricity generated by solar panels needs to be converted into alternating current to be compatible with most electrical appliances and the grid. The inverter performs this conversion. Charge controller. In off-grid solar systems with energy storage, a charge controller is used to regulate the charging and discharging of the batteries. It prevents overcharging and excessive discharging, extending the lifespan of the batteries. Battery bank. In off-grid or hybrid solar systems, energy storage is often required to store excess electricity generated during sunny periods for use during cloudy days or at night. A battery bank stores this energy for later use. Load. The load represents the electrical appliances or devices that consume the electricity generated by the solar power system. This can include household appliances, lighting and other electrical equipment. Advantages. Solar energy is a clean and renewable energy source harnessing power from the sun without producing harmful pollutants or greenhouse gases. Solar power allows individuals, business and communities to generate their own electricity, leading to reduced dependence on traditional utility grids. Solar energy reduces the dependence on fossil fuels and foreign energy sources. Once installed, solar panels have relatively low operating and maintenance costs. Distributed solar power generation can enhance grid stability by reducing the need for centralized power plants and long-distance transmission lines. Solar energy systems are scalable and adaptable to various needs from small installations to large utility-scale solar farms. Ongoing research and development in solar technology continue to drive advancements, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Innovations such as thin-film solar cells, solar tracking systems and energy storage solutions enhance the overall effectiveness of solar energy systems. Limitation. Solar energy production is dependent on sunlight, making it intermittent. Energy generation is significantly reduced during cloudy days, nighttime and in regions with frequent inclement weather. The installation of solar panels and associated equipment can involve high upfront costs. Storing excess energy for use during periods of low sunlight can be challenging. Thank you for watching our video.